Into My Hands by Robarge. Today I take my whole life into my hands, reaching into the deep place where roots and seeds know the truth. This is the dirt of who I am. I take the inside part and I hold it outside, lift it up towards the sun's light for everyone to see. This is the tender part, wet as a newborn, fluid as a song. This is what I have to offer, my heart. Today I take my whole life into my hands. I cradle the essence in my palms, feeling the fire of who I am, a spark blown from the source. This is my music, my gold. It's from where I come, my original home. This is where wounds find balm, where language finds a tongue, and breath enters lung. This is my best thing. Some call it God, I call it love. Today I scoop up all of our lives into my hands like two fists full of sand, sifting through my fingers. I don't know much about your pain or why open hearts are so fragile or why plums taste so good. But I do know whether life brings 10,000 joys or 10,000 sorrows, warm honey or sharp stingers. I do know loving matters most. Loving is our choice. And for what for? To feel tenderly exposed. This is our best thing, our ordinary miracle.